Lesson 1.2, using forms, lists, and registers. What makes QuickBooks so easy to use is that instead of using arcane journal entries, you're going to enter the information on a form. For example, if I want to write a check, I'll use the check form, which looks very similar to a paper check. Or if I'm going to create an invoice, I'll use an invoice form. And if I want to enter a bill, the form looks like a bill. And we'll talk more about the details of entering on these in later lessons. Now, QuickBooks also has lists. For example, there's a vendor list. And that's in the vendor center. Here's a list of all the vendors that you have. There are also customer lists in the customer center showing all of your customers. And there are what QuickBooks calls items. Items are the products and services that you sell. And again, we'll talk in more detail about how to use these lists. And last, QuickBooks has registers. For example, a check register. It looks very much like an old school paper register. Now you can enter information straight onto the register. That's fine. However, if you want to get back to the form, just select Edit Transaction and that will take you back to the form. Now if you happen to be on a form and you want to get back to the register, you go Banking, use Register, and in this case, this will take you to the Accounts Payable register, and you can tell what register you're in by looking at the top bar. So this is the Accounts Payable register. Most of you are not likely to use this particular register. This is mostly for the accounting nerds out there, but just to let you know. This has been Lesson 1.2, using forms, lists, and registers.